Welcome DEKWP, 小工 aboard. Your learning journey starts now. Ever wondered if life itself is just a super complex computer program? Or maybe consciousness is just a fancy way of organizing information? Buckle up, because we're diving into two mind-bending theories that might just crack the code on life and intelligence. First up, life as computation. Think of your DNA not just as a blueprint, but as a giant instruction manual, a Turing tape, running the show. It's like von Neumann's old idea of a self-copying machine, but way more sophisticated. And get this, scientists actually created a digital primordial soup, best friends forever, where random code snippets started self-replicating, like digital life popping up out of nowhere. It suggests life's core process isn't magic. It's computation happening in parallel, embracing randomness. Pretty wild, right? Now, let's switch gears to the DIKWP model. This one's all about meaning. Imagine a pyramid, data at the base, then information, knowledge, wisdom, and finally, purpose at the top. See that last layer? That's the kicker. Purpose isn't just tacked on, it drives everything downwards. It's like having a GPS for your thoughts. And here's the fun part. Professor Yukong Duan suggests consciousness might even be a kind of bug, a glitch in our thinking that somehow led to self-awareness and creativity. Talk about turning flaws into features. This model gives us a roadmap to build AI that's not just smart, but understandable, maybe even self-aware. Okay, so how did we get here? Evolution wasn't just slow and steady. Think bigger. Lynn Margulis showed us symbiosis, ancient cells merging, creating mitochondria, the powerhouses of our cells. It's like life's ultimate team-up. Then there's horizontal gene transfer, bacteria swapping genes like they're at a massive biological swap meet. This makes evolution less like a straight line and more like a tangled web. Plus, modularity. Life uses building blocks, recombining them endlessly. So, evolution is less about solo climbing and more about collaboration, communication, and clever reuse. It's a messy, beautiful, chaotic process. So, what happens when we mash these ideas together? Life computing gives us the how, the computational engine. DIKWP gives us the why and what for, the semantic meaning and purpose. Together, they hint at a unified view of life and intelligence. We could build AI that learns, adapts, and maybe even has a purpose, guided by its own internal logic. Of course, it's not easy. Building such complex systems is tough, and we need to tread carefully with ethics and the big question of true consciousness. But the potential? AI that grows, evolves, and understands itself. That's the frontier we're heading towards. Fascinating stuff.